हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम एक क्वेश्चन लिए हैं फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 7.1 फॉर क्लास 9 एंड चैप्टर इज 7 चैप्टर ट्रायंगल चैप्टर. दिस क्वेश्चन इज very important for this class, for examination point of view and for knowledge point of view both. So in this question it is given in right triangle ABC. ABC is right triangle, right angle at C point पर right angle है, that means 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. It is given in the question. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. AB का एक M midpoint है. Suppose this point is midpoint. M is the midpoint. It is given. C is joined to M. C को M से join किया. चलिए C को M से join करते हैं. C को M से join कर देते हैं. Like this. ये C को M से join कर दिया. Question was telling C is joined to M and produced to a point D. C को M से join किया, इसको प्रोड्यूस किया कहाँ तक? D पॉइंट तक. चलिए इसको प्रोड्यूस भी कर देते हैं. It is produced to a point D. D पॉइंट पे इसको प्रोड्यूस किया. It is produced to a point D. D पॉइंट पे प्रोड्यूस किया such that this point is D. Such that DM equal to CM. This DM is equal to CM. C से M तक का डिस्टेंस और D से M तक का डिस्टेंस दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. पॉइंट D is joined to B. D पॉइंट को B से ज्वाइन किया गया. So like this we join this. This point is joined. B point is joined to D. Now question is telling so that we have to prove that triangle AMC, that is which triangle? Triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. AMC congruent to BMD. Angle DBC, that means this angle. We have to prove this 90 degree. After that, triangle DBC, this triangle is congruent to triangle ACB. इस triangle को congruent करना. Last, CM is equal to half of AB. We have to prove it. So first of all, we write the given information. What is given? So we write given. This given. What things are given? We have given in this angle ACB equal to 90 degree. It is given. This angle 90 degree. Next, since M is the midpoint of AB, it means AM is equal to BM. It is given. Now by construction, CM is extended, produced to D such that DM equal to CM. It means we have given DM equal to CM. It is given. These three things are given. Now to prove, what we have to prove? We will write here to prove. We have to prove four things. First, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. Second, angle DBC, angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. It is to be proved. Third, we have to prove triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB, and fourth we have to prove CM is equal to half AB. These four things we have to prove. Now we give proof. कैसे इसको proof करेंगे? Proof. We are producing here proof. First of all, we take in these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, triangle AMC and triangle BMD. In triangle AMC and triangle BMD, in these two triangles, AM equal to BM, AM equal to BM. Here AM equal to BM, we will write here given, it is given. Now CM equal to DM, CM is equal to DM, it is also given. You can see CM equal to DM. And now angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, angle BMD. It is vertically opposite angles. You will write this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite. So from SAS congruency rule, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD, triangle BMD. This implies angle A is equal to angle B, because when two triangles are congruent, then corresponding angles are equal. That means A congruent to B, that means angle A is equal to angle B, angle M equal to angle M, and angle C equal to angle D. But I have need angle A equal to angle B, it will be used later, so I have shown here angle B equal to A equal to angle B. Now AC and AC is equal to BD. This AC is equal to BD. We will write here BD, and region by CP. This. So this AMC congruent triangle BMD, it is first proved. We can write here first proved. First is proved. First proved. This. Next, since we write here, since angle A equal to angle B, A was proved. We will write A was proved. Angle A equal to angle B, just we have proved here. But they are alternate interior angles for angle A is equal to angle B. These two angles are alternate interior for these two lines, DB and AC. For DB and AC. For these two lines, these two angles are interior alternate angle, and for these two lines, so when interior alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. That means this implies DB parallel to AC. DB parallel to AC. And now we see the next part. We see like this. Since DB parallel to AC, just I have proved. Since DB parallel to AC, A was proved, we will write A was proved. This implies angle DBC, this angle, plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Why? Reason is interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. This reason is this. This implies angle DBC plus angle ACB, its value is 90 degree, it is given. So we put here and it is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle DBC is equal to 190 minus 90. This implies angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Angle DBC equal to 90 degree. We have proved. So we can write here third is proved. Here third not, second is proved. Second proved. This. Now we take triangle DBC and triangle ACB. Now triangle DBC and triangle ACB. We are looking here, angle DBC is equal to angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Above proved. Just we have proved here this. Angle DBC, that is angle B equal to angle C, angle DBC equal to ACB. DBC हमने 90 प्रूफ किया, ACB पहले से 90 था. So these two are 90 degree equal and DB equal to AC. It is also above proved. इसको भी हमने प्रूफ किया. कहाँ पर? Here you can see BD equal to AC. Here. And BC is equal to BC. BC is in both triangle, in DBC BC and in triangle ACB also BC. So it is common. We will write here common. So two sides and included angle AC and BC included angle C. That means from, we will write from SAS congruency condition, या रूल कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. फ्रॉम एसएस कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कंडीशन ट्रायंगल DBC congruent to triangle ACB. It is proved and this is third is proved. Now since DBC congruent to triangle ACB, this implies we can write DC is equal to AB. How? By CPCP. But DC is divided into two equal parts, DM equal to CM. So DC is the twice of CM. Or you can say DC is the twice of DM. So we will write for DC we will write twice of CM. Is equal to AB. This implies CM equal to half AB. And here we can write since DM equal to CM. So CM equal to half AB, just we have proved, that is fourth is proved. In this way, we complete this question. So my dear students, you watch this video 2 times or 3 times patiently. This question is very important and very easily you can understand this. So you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel also. Thank you very much.